So day one of refit of bathroom. It's now been plastered and floor has been latex, ready for the Cardine floor to go down after we finish. So here we go. So I'm going to get a couple of mist coats on the wall, let that soak in. Ceiling's going to have perma white on it, really good mold resistant paint. Walls we're going for a colour but we haven't chosen yet. And then there's going to be units there, sinks there, unit there, plinth there, towel rail there, unit there, toilet there, unit there, bath there, shower down the wall. This is all going to be tiled around the window. Customer just wants the top edge tiled here to continue the line all the way across, and then it'll match the unit there. So yeah, day one of potentially 2 weeks work. So let's see how we get on. End of day 2, units in, the waste is run across. It sits down there. I've marked where I need to pull it out tomorrow to get the waste for the sinks in. So end of day 3. We have lights back in, extractor working, shower in the wall, first coat of colour on the wall, end plates cut, screwed in, all of this side is secured now. These two, well that one is definitely secure to that one, but I've got to adjust a bit of pipe work behind that, and then these 3, but waste and hot and cold into both units. So yeah, fiddly day today, but still got quite a lot done. These are all in and fixed solid now. Everything is plumbed. Just got to let the silicone set. Radiator's been mounted. It's not here at the moment. Need to put another coat on that wall and get it hung properly, and then adjust the piping to suit. End panels on, toilet cistern has been played with and plumbed in, but not live. And that's pretty much where we're at. So tomorrow, check these all work, no leaks. Tile this, put 2 units on the wall, and we'll see. Oh, get the radiator on tomorrow. So that's the plan, ready for the weekend. End of day 5. We have 2 working sinks. All the waste is working as it should. 2 mirrors, well, 2 wall cupboards on, end panels to cut. Monday, it's raining really hard here, so couldn't really get the front door out today, but all cupboard fronts are on. Spaced reasonably well. Tweak on the final day. Radiators on the wall, towels are down there. Got to make a plinth and then cut the holes for the radiator to go through. So that needs to be done when the plunge door's out. Monday will be put the toilet in, get that working, drill the hole through the wall for the waste, plumb the radiator in and do the plinths. Get all that working. And then Tuesday can be put the bath in and we'll carry on. Tuesday Monday try and get the bath in as well, and then we can start tiling this area. This wall's had its second coat, so the cutting in is spot on. As you can see, cutting in around here was not quite as good because it was like painting glue, but the second coat glides on, so I'll get a perfect finish on that. So yeah, so here we go. End of week 1. Not bad progress considering there was no plumbing ready for this or anything. So yeah, quite happy. End of day 7. Forgot to do one yesterday, but now I've got it tiled. End panels are on. Everything works, which you saw in the previous video. Towel rails on. We've started tiling this now. Finish tiling tomorrow, hopefully get some grouting done. End of day 9, last day tomorrow. So nothing's really changed this side. Toilet is in and working. We are tiled. Showers fixed on. Bath waste is done and working. So tomorrow we'll silicone around the bath first, then fit the taps, shower screen, and then silicone everything else on, attach. This was designed so it wasn't under the tiles because of the access to the system, so that would just have a bead of silicone and 2 little screws holding it in. Yeah, and then just silicone everything, tidy up, and then floors are in next week, and I'll probably have to extract the fans, put back on. But yeah, not too far from the end now. I don't think you really see that. Yeah, quite old, and I've got to paint as well. I've painted this wall, but I need to paint this wall, and this wall. It's taken a bit of a battering where I've been working with it. But yeah, I think we'll be done tomorrow. Day 10. Bathroom is done. Everything's siliconed in. Worktops are back on. Showers in, shower glass, L-shaped. Shower glass, P-shaped, sorry. P-shaped glass screen. Yeah, all done. Nice rain shower. Just not bad for 10 days work, considering this was a bare shell. I'm back next week, end of next week. Floor's going down, so toilet base needs to come out. The plinth I made to cover up this will be going on, and final snags. Not that there are many, but yeah, nice transformation. All the cutting in's done. Again, that was done this morning. Second coat. Yeah, very happy. Customer's very happy. On door handles. Hasn't decided on the door handles yet. I think the colours look really good. Purpley, with the black, with the grey, with the wood, and then a different tile over here. Stay tuned for more. Yeah, like and subscribe if you want more videos like this of stuff I get up to. I'll try and keep more of a video log on everything I do. And any questions, post them below. Look at that. The floor is in.